Hello?
Hello.
Hello, how did you get here?
Oh, it's a long story. Oh, it has to do with my wife. I was so suspicious of my wife. Oh, I came home early from the fishing and I went up to the bedroom and I was sure I was going to find another man in there. But I only found her and she was getting dressed. And I accused her and she denied it. But oh, she looked guilty, so guilty. I was sure there was another man there. I could smell his pipe tobacco, and it wasn't my pipe tobacco. It was that light continental stuff that you get in a pansy wee pouch. No a man's smoke at all. So I rushed down to the living room, and he wasn't there. And I went into the kitchen, and he wasn't there. And I went up the stairs to the bedroom, and he still wasn't there. And I looked in the wardrobe, and it was empty. And I looked out the windows, and there was no sign of anybody on the window ledges. I was so frustrated. I was sure he was there. And the anger and the frustration, it just built up. And it was a massive heart attack. I was gone in seconds. And what about you?
I froze to death. You know when you said you looked in the kitchen?
Aye.
It's a pity you never looked in the freezer. Maybe we'd both still be alive.
Oh.